What you want? Hey? What you want? What? Have I done something wrong? Hey? Hey, what? What? You biting me? Did I do something wrong? Hi there. Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to show you what our camp looks like. Really stunning to be here at the Fynbos Guest Farm. I'd like to take you around and show you exactly what the place looks like. Really beautiful area. I couldn't get the camera quick enough because there were horses that came running around, charging around this point over here. But I'll take you through. Better watch out, the wind's blowing heavy today. Look at him dancing. Unreal. I see what he's doing. He's busy showing off to the emu. Hey, you like the emu? That's not going to work. Hi there. Hello, fella. So there's some goats around. Pretty little goats. Hello, cutie. Hey, cutie. Hey. Have really put a lot of work into this place. Hey. Wow. Check the mosaic. I wish I could get the smell. The smell here is fantastic. Incredible. Flowers. Look at this. Mushrooms. Okay. Which way now? There are more things around here. See. There's more goats that side. Let's go and have a look. Hello. Hello. Hey. Hello. 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 Ouch! That was a bite and a half. Oh, what's in here? Mr. Rabbit. Bunny Manor. How's that view? The mountains. Imagine living here. I must say these people have put in a heck of a lot into this place. Hey, bless you, bless you. Bless you again. You're a real billy goat, eh? That's for sure. You're a real billy goat. Hey, old chap. Are you looking for the leaves? You want the leaves? Let's see what else we can find. Explore the area. The owner of the place said to me that he has his horses come past. So I was busy putting up the tent. The horses, I was inside the tent and I just heard the horses come galloping past, and I charged out and I saw the last few, but I couldn't get the camera in time, so I missed out on that. But he says that they come past in the morning and in the evening. In the mornings, he says they get led there to the camp where they go to, and then they just take a walk in the morning. But in the evening they come running. Sometimes they come with a speed, he says. They come broadsiding around the corner there where we are to get back home to their stables. So they get excited to get back home. I'm so sorry I missed that. What's over there? We're going to see what we can find that side. There's like a beautiful little walkway, looks like. Let's see. The sun's right in my eyes. Mountains look amazing. For the sun setting like this, crazy. I don't know if you can hear the vibration, but it's incredible, the female. The male is doing a vibration. Insane. Here are the peacocks. Guinea fowl dam. Here are the finches. Wow. It's Guinea fowl dam. The duck. Look at the finches. Wow. I want to see some of these finches going into their nests over here. Let's see if we can see any coming in and going out. See the twig in the mouth. busy weaving his nest. The guinea fowl. Hello. 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 Hey, what do you want? Looking for conversation? Hey. Hey, what do you want? Am I sitting on your chair? Hey. Hi, come here. Come, sit next to me. Come, come. You can come here. Come, come. Come here. Come. Hey. What you want? Hey? What you want? What? Have I done something wrong? Hey? Hey? What? What? You biting me? Did I do something wrong? Bye. I must tell you, this place is amazing. This place is stunning. Well, let me head back to the tent. That was incredible. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and then I'll see you in the next video.